another video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and today I have your favorite realtor with me,
De-Wayne Whittingham, GOURZONG Realty Group. Yes.
Yeah man peeps. So if a lot of you already know that once you see De-Wayne, you know so we're up to something, which is apartment hunting, etc. But today we're actually not going to look at an apartment. We're going to look at what, De-Wayne?
We're gonna go look at some land in St. Thomas, right next to Albion Estates. It's called South Haven. Beautiful piece of land, right on the ocean, so you guys could see the potential of what's you could have here in Jamaica. Beachfront access, beachfront home. For currently the land is about 12 million, which is about $80,000 US. So you're gonna see the potential of what can be had now in Jamaica for you guys.
Yeah man. So guys, I haven't seen the land as yet, so I'm gonna see for the first time today. So we're gonna take you with us. So if you're interested in that land, you can shout De-Wayne, call him, WhatsApp him, whatever. I will leave his details in the description, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, hit that subscribe button right down below, that red word subscribe. Yeah man, give this video a thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment, and as usual, as I always say, turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video I post on the channel. See you in a bit, guys.
Let's go.
Closer to the lot now, right, De-Wayne?
Yes.
How far do you think we are from the lot?
I would say probably 20 minutes.
All right.
Going down into South Haven, where we are in St. Thomas. So I'm just going to take you guys down to where the lot is located and then show you around the community and what you could have or what could possibly be yours if you want to buy this lot and build.
Some people there work from them house right there, so that could be you once you buy the land.
Guys, we are on Ocean Boulevard East. I have to be speaking loud because the ocean is so near to the lot. that is available right now for $13 million Jamaican dollars, $80,000 US dollars. And in the morning, this is what could be your view. Morning, even afternoon, this could be your view. All of this. And the lot currently is right behind you. So see how far the lot is. Right there. Right behind where the vehicle is at. The right vehicle is at, that's where the lot is. And it stretches, it's a quarter acre going back to the coast to the White House.
If someone decides to buy this land, Dwayne, how far away from the, what should I say, city or the town would they have to drive to maybe buy groceries or stuff like that?
Well, grocery stores are right around the corner because when we were coming in, you could see that you had shops and places, vendors on the strip out there that you could have bought your food. So you're not far from gas stations, you're not far from grocery shopping, you're not far from banks. So
in a pretty central area.
You're in a great area right now. You're in a great area. You're not out in the middle of nowhere. And as you can see, we have good homes being built and developed in the area. Junior residents or someone in Jamaica that just wants to get a nice away from the city.
Yes. So when we're driving in, we can see people actually working on their home.
Yeah, exactly. But like I was telling you in the previous videos, this is what's going on in St. Thomas now. This is what's available to you. It doesn't take, common sense to tell you something like this is not going to last forever. You're not going to find a piece of property with that size. For that price, exactly.
All right, Dwayne, so let's head over to the lot so that the viewers can have a closer look at the size. The only thing though, Dwayne, and I assume it will change soon though, is the road condition.
Yeah, like when you saw when we was coming over, the road was pretty messed up because they're working on the highway. So they have a lot of dust, you have a lot of,
Yes.
the road bad. Not gonna lie, right now the road bad. But when the road finish, you're gonna have a straight shot out here, just like if you were going to Spanish Town or Portmore. It's gonna be like this.
Or even a North Coast.
Or even North Coast. So you're gonna be able to access another place like this.
Yes.
No problem. Yeah, man.
And also in St. Thomas is where you can find the mineral bath. The one and only mineral bath in Jamaica where you can actually have hot water coming from the rocks.
Right here, to the fence down here.
That's where the wall is?
Yeah.
Right there?
So this is your front space, your front luggage, and then it goes half an acre back. So basically you're going back halfway. A good piece of land. Excellent piece of land. If you want to do developments, if you want to build apartments for Airbnb, if you want to build your own personal house, if you want to do anything, the size of the lot, it gives you perfect chance to do whatever you want. And like I said, you are that close to the ocean because we literally just walked from over there to over there.
Yeah, very close. I'm with Blake Burnett. He's obviously a surfer. You live over this side, right, Blake? Okay, so you do surfing like quite often?
As often as I can, yeah. Whenever the sea allows it. A lot of waves over here. So.
Okay, so how long have you been living here?
I've been living here for, it'll be 3 years.
Okay. What do you think about the neighborhood?
I love the neighborhood. It's quiet. The breeze is nice. The breeze never stops. But, yeah, it's nice. It's a really nice neighborhood. Friendly.
Okay. Blake said that it's a perfect environment, so why not buy it?
Surfers welcome.
Surfers are welcome.
I'm here by myself every day, so.
Oh, that's good. So a lot of surfers come by at times,
Every
right?
once in a while, maybe once a month or so, but the road, is long, so it takes.
All right. Thank you, Blake. So there you have it, guys. Testimonial. Come and get it, guys. Come and get it.
So Chanel, now you've seen the land. In your personal opinion, if you were to buy this land tomorrow, what would you do with this land? What would your dreams be to make happen with this land? What would you do?
Well, to be honest, Dwayne, when you were talking about the price and everything, in my mind I was saying $13 million like this size, and with a spectacular view like this.
Yes.
If I had the money, to be honest, I would buy it tomorrow, to be honest. Because this lot right here is what I think I would want to purchase for, if I to build my family, to build my family home rather.
See, this is
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Family home,
Yes,
family getaway,
yes.
family retreat.
Not just a getaway, but to live here.
To live here.
Yeah, man.
Because
Build
we're
my
going to be
house.
so close to the city. Yeah, man.
Exactly.
So basically your getaway home and your
Yeah.
actual home, one and the same.
And what I've done right here is not just a flat, but I'm thinking like a 2 or 3 story house right here,
Something big and proper.
Yeah, man, so we can have the full view of the sea.
Some show off,
Yeah,
so when
man.
people come, you can show off in front
Well,
of them.
not show off, but
No, man, you can show off in front of them, man. Because when them come and see this, they might say, no, look on this.
Yeah, it's a lovely spot. And as you did mention earlier as well, they are building a highway over here in St. Thomas. So no longer will you have the big old potholes and them stuff here. You have people coming over here quite often. It will be a developed area.
Yes. When that highway is finished, it's just common sense. Highway is finished, people can get in and out access from airport or downtown Kingston. More people are going to move over here. They're going to see it as a viable option because it's going to be cheaper, it's going to be more cost efficient, and it's just a better way of life. This is a better way of life.
Yeah.
Me just standing here right now breathing this salt air is a better way of life. The sun, ocean breeze, we can walk over and jump into the ocean and come out, and when I come home from work, just take off my shirt and walk over there and jump in the ocean before we go in my yard. That's a better way of life. It gives you something forward to look, something good to look forward to come home to. So this, if you were to buy this property and use anything with it, it's just a better way of life, a better all-around position for you as a person and your family. That's the best way I can say it. Because who doesn't grow up dreaming they want something close to the ocean?
Yeah. And it's quite a tranquil area as well. Dwayne, as I mentioned several times in videos, that I love a view, and this right here is an all-in-one package.
Yes.
As I said, if I were able to purchase this land and build like my 2 or 3 story house, I would have everything right here. I would have the sea, I would have a mountain view, and also I would be able to.
Look at that mountain view.
Oh my God!
Look at the mountain view.
Oh my God! This is to die for.
So basically you're saying your porch or your wraparound porch or your rooftop view or whatever, this is your view.
Yeah, man.
And it's like, that view is not going to go anywhere. So
What the fuck, you don't even have AC in the house.
can you feel the ocean breeze?
Exactly.
Alright.
And you have the perfect sunset. Them say Nick will have the best sunset, but if you build right here, so you look at the sun going down in the evenings, magnificent.
But like I said, guys, this is what St. Thomas has to offer for you right now.
Yeah, man. It's great, guys. So, guys, as I said, if you are interested in purchasing this lot, which is like paradise right now, contact Dwayne right here. His details will be in the description. If you want to come and see for yourself, link him. If you want to purchase it right now, link him. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe if you haven't subscribed.